All right, now that we have done the branding update across all of the pages that I have published, I'm going to be showing you the fourth thing today, which is how to set up and sync all of my pop-ups that I want to be the same with each other. So right here on my dashboard, I have 3 different pages here that are specifically made for unique advertising channels. Even though all of these pages are the same, I have them saved up here. They all look the same here, but I've created 3 different ones for the 3 different advertising channels because I want to segment and test for that channel specifically, but I do want them to look the same. You'll notice on these pages they have a pop-up here that I want to change, and I want to do it only once on these 3 different pages. Again, you'll notice each one of these have a different URL. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to edit the AdWords campaign, and I'm going to edit this global block to unlock the content, and then I'm going to find that pop-up. And what I want to do here today is I just want to actually shrink this. I want to move this text over here to the left. And then what I want to do is move this as well. We're going to go and make this text left aligned. Same with this. I'm not going to add a new image here. Let's bring this up and bring this up. And I think that should make it a little bit bigger. So I think that looks pretty good. It's kind of a different look and feel. If I wanted to, I could make some more changes, but for today, I think this looks pretty good. Maybe we'll move it up just a tad bit more. Move that over, because I do want to make this image. I decided I want to make the image a little bit bigger. And then let's move this this content. There we go. So I made some pretty good changes here, but now I have a left to right fill. So I'm going to go ahead and just click off. Again, these are the changes. And I'm going to hit apply changes, and I'm going to proceed because this block shows up on these 3 pages. And it is reminding me that I should check the mobile version as well. So if we did want to do that, I'll go to the mobile version, but we're not showing the pop-up on the mobile version for this particular global block. So let's update. Great. And let's head back to the dashboard. And if these changes were already pushed, I'm going to go here. I'm going to refresh. You remember what it looked like. And now once we click it, you'll see that we have this new layout on this page, Global Blocks 2. And then again, this is Global Blocks page 4. Let's refresh that. You'll see that this pop-up this new pop-up has rolled out on all of my pages, even though I only updated it once.